technicians Izzy and Billy here, and today we're going to talk about tire sealant. What is it, how does it work, and when do you use this stuff? First of all, let's be clear, we are not talking about that slimy, flat fix in a can stuff you get from the local auto parts store. Tex Premium Tire Sealant is a preventative maintenance product that permanently seals bead leaks, pinhole leaks, and even tread area punctures up to ½ an inch. Our sealant virtually eliminates underinflation issues and reduces the need to constantly inflate your tires, saving you time and money.
That's right, Izzy. Tex Premium Tire Sealant contains a proprietary blend of filling agents that are quickly pushed deep into leaks and punctures as the tire rolls. These fillers create a permanent, airtight seal that lasts the life of your tire.
That's right, Billy, and because our formula is water-based, it's easy to clean up. So should you ever need to demount the tire to do a larger repair, you can simply wash the sealant away. There's just no way you can do that with those sticky, slimy, solvent-based sealants. In fact, low-quality sealants can cause such a mess that sometimes the tire can't be repaired.
Yes, plus many of our competitors' products can degrade or even decompose the rubber, which could void the tire's warranty. Something else to consider is that many low-quality sealants can even cause wheel corrosion. Tex Premium Tire Sealant, on the other hand, is safe on steel, aluminum, and yellow metal wheels as it contains corrosion inhibitors tested and verified effective by independent testing laboratories.
Because as all us gearheads know, it is also important to keep your wheels looking clean and shiny. And speaking of wheels, Billy, what types of vehicles can benefit from Tex Tire Sealant?
This sealant works great in a number of applications and industries, including off-road, earth movers, agricultural, turf and lawn care, even golf carts. We do not, however, recommend tire sealant to be used in passenger tires or other high-speed applications.
Right, tire sealants can cause vibration and tire balance issues in passenger vehicles. They can also interfere with tire pressure monitoring systems. An added bonus for Tex Premium Tire Sealant is that in the agricultural and earth-moving industry, our product can be used to create ballast.
Exactly. For example, those large lawnmowers that you see mowing extremely banked areas on the side of freeways, a little extra weight in the tires can add stability and make the job a lot easier and safer.
Finally, unlike many solvent-based products, Tex Premium Tire Sealant is eco-friendly, non-hazardous, non-flammable, non-toxic, and has an incredibly long shelf life. It will never separate or get gloopy, making it much easier to get it into the tire. There you have it, folks. We hope you've enjoyed learning a little more about Tex Premium Tire Sealant. For more information, contact your local Tex distributor or visit techtirerepairs.com.